Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So you might be wondering, what kind of news is this guy talking about? Yes. So you guys really liked the last video, so I've decided to make more. I know, crazy news, but the good things just got started. So first of all, thank you all so much for the support on the last video and the hype for the game, and a lot of you guys suggested some great names for the game. Really appreciate that. I think I like the Yokai Battlegrounds name a lot. A lot of people thinks the same, I think. And also, here comes the important news. Alright, so a lot of people might be wondering why there is a weekly log at the end of the title. It's just like the title says, I'm planning on releasing a weekly updates for the game, and we are adding a ton of good features that previous Battleground games had. For an example, like multiple maps in that one DBZ game, I forgot the name, and rails that you can glide truff like in Realm Rampage. Basically, we are getting every good feature from every Battlegrounds game and smashing them together to make a ultimate Battlegrounds game for ya all to play. So obviously, I can't do this alone. If you know me, I don't really have that much brain cells to figure things out on my own. So that's when you guys come in. If you are a developer and you have some decent experience, for example, VFX artists, scripters, modelers, animators, sound designers, project managers, and builders that who likes contribute anything free for the game, join our Discord channel link in the description and hit me up in Discord. And also, people who just want to hang out, you should also consider joining, and ya all can get some early sneaks as well. Now, as you might know, I have a Patreon page. Some legends like these people right here helps me a ton to make these kind of videos possible. So don't worry, I haven't forgotten you guys. I'm planning on adding few admin-only characters like KJ from the strongest Battlegrounds to the game to show thanks for these goats that supports the game. Contributors also gets access to these characters as well. So that took way longer than it should have. Hopefully together we can make an ultimate Battlegrounds game where it made by Battleground lovers for Battleground lovers. So, I think I spoke way too much. Let's get to the video. So today, Robix made this sick cutscene when you go ult for Okarun. I coded that into the game. Now, when you select Okarun and press G, the cutscene plays. The ult bar is still not done yet. And also added some placeholder sound effects like a heartbeat. Added the OST and some dialogue. So today I fixed some stun problems we had with the M1 system, and it looks all right now. Also made the ult bar work. Like you can hit enemies and gain ult points, and when you kill a player, you will gain more ult points. And added better sound effects to the Okarun ult. Now it looks good and sounds good, I think, at least. Plus added some small VFX for the ult. As you can see, the ult bar is slowly draining away just like it used to be. And what do you think about the ult cutscene? Should we change it or keep it? Let us know in the comments down below. That's it for the day. So today, I made a emote wheel while Cheese and Robix works on the animations for the moves. Oh, and also, if you are wondering who are these people, they are contributors of the game in my Discord server. They made some cool animations for Emote that I will add eventually. So shout out to all these people for being awesome and helping us to make the game possible. As the time I'm editing this, they are working on the game. I'm very thankful for the love and support, really appreciated. Oh, also, you can't claim any new emotes yet, so that's it for the day. So today I made a mid VFX for the first move. Not the best, I might rework this later. We are still waiting for the animations to be done, so while I wait, I've fully completed the emote system now. Every 25 kills, you can claim a new emote, and you can right-click on a slot and change the emote. Also made the base skill system that's took a while to do, but after some trial and error, now the script listen to the player's input, then fire a remote event, and the server picks it up. Then the server have a module script that handle the actual moves. Every move have their own module script. Oh, I got a little carried away there. Hopefully you didn't close the video. And that's kind of it for the day, so see you tomorrow. So today, Robix made this animation for the first ever move. For Okarun looks really clean. So I got to work and added that to the game. It took a while, but got it to look how I want it to look. It sucks in the player pause and drags the players with them. Then it shoots out the players at the end of the attack. So that's kind of it for the day. Also, the second move. Animations are being made. So see you tomorrow. So today, Robix made like these roads for the map looking good. It's inspired from Tokyo City roads from Japan, really sick. Robix cooked with this one. And I made a settings menu for the game. That's it. We did this day. So today I made this, So today I made the second move for Okarun, thanks to Cheese for making the animation he cooked with it. And also I made some simple VFX for it, may or may not get reworked. It took a while to get this move perfect. It's the first grab move for the game. I'm really proud how it's turned out. And also, Robix and Acrazit made some parts of the map. They also cooked with the map. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our Discord server. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. See you in a week or so. Peace out.
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet caves and count my fireplace and tell me while I lie awake. The moon's got a grudge.